The Russian military thought it could easily destroy Ukrainian positions and take over Ukraine with devastating operations with its warplanes, but this did not happen. The Ukrainian army turned into a nightmare for Russian warplanes. The Russians lost more than 340 fighter jets and hundreds of important pilots. Russia relied heavily on its air force and technological power to invade Ukraine. The Russian Air Force has not been as effective as expected and has lost many important fighter jets and pilots. Using unmanned aerial vehicles and air defense systems, the Ukrainian Defense Forces, with their strategy, gave Russian planes hell on the front line. Ukrainian military personnel continue to train for F-16 fighter jets. Ukraine's delivery of F-16s in 2024 will completely change the course of the war. Although the Ukrainian army is effective in ground operations and drone operations, its power in the region will increase significantly with the F-16s. The Russian army has lost 347 fighter jets since the start of the war on 24th of February. This is a loss of billions of dollars and the loss of many important Russian pilots. What kind of developments do you think will take place in the coming days?